Greetings to everyone, to our esteemed shareholders and customers. This is a very short session on how to go about an issue that has been lingering with some of our schools, and that is the error on the number of subjects taken on the broadsheet. We believe and seen that some of our people are having errors in the calculations on the broadsheet. So I want to take us through on how to get this fixed once and for all on our portal. Alright, thank you. So I'm going to share my screen now. My screen, as you can see, my screen is on already. You see this, I'm logged in as a school. This is a school that I'm going to be using as a live session. I'm logging as the SPA of this school now, and this is, as you can see, this St. Peter's African Church and Nursery and Primary School. Right, if you check this school broadsheet, alright, check this school broadsheet. This school has done all the necessary submission and approval by both the SPA and the principal. So if you check the primary 6 broadsheet of this school, they registered 9 subjects for the students and uploaded scores for 9 subjects. But after SPA approval, you can see 11 on the total number of subjects taken on the screen. Alright, so how are we going to get this fixed? Alright, the first thing you have to do is, as an SPA, is to go locate your subject's registration, which is under classroom management. As you open your learner subject registration, then you select the class. But I will advise that this you do it for all classes, but just for this session, short session, this thing, I will be going straight to the class that is having this error, which is primary 6A. Alright, as you can see, they only registered 9 subjects. If you count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 subjects. So what you are going to do is just to locate this button for this class, which is clear or register subject. This red button here, then you click on it, then click on it and you clear or register subject. You clear yes. So once the operation is successful, you see it a notification by the right corner, just at the top here, saying operation successful. Alright, so once you click that button, then you go back to your subject, to your broadsheet. If you have approved as the SPA but the HOS hasn't approved, you just have to disapprove and approve, so submit the scores again and approve the broadsheet again. But in this case, the HOS has already published the result. Right, so the next thing for me to do is just to log in as the HOS of this school. Then I will log in as HOS to unpublish. If the HOS has published the results, you won't be able to disapprove or approve the broadsheet again as an SPA. Right, so you log in as the HOS of this school. The HOS of this school is Mrs. Oladende Adeshola Halis. Alright, so you log in as this HOS or the HOS login, either ways. So you log in as the HOS, which is the head of school. Then locate the broadsheet. Alright, locate the broadsheet again. In this case, you are dealing with primary 6. So you locate primary 6 broadsheet. Alright, then you unpublish this broadsheet. Once you unpublish the broadsheet, then you see approve this broadsheet again, approve button again immediately. Then you approve the broadsheet as a HOS immediately again. So let's wait for this to approve. But before, why this is approving? Alright, if you have, like for this case now, we have only one arm in primary 6. But in case you have more than one arm in primary 6, maybe you have primary 6A, primary 6B, primary 6C, and so on and so on. Please make sure you click that on register subject button for all the class arms. You click it for all the class arms. But in this case, we only have one arm in primary 6, so that's why we are clicking for only primary 6A. Alright, so we've approved this broadsheet again. So now let's see the calculation. As you can see now, the number of subject taken has been corrected. It was 11 that was here before, and after we click the button and approve the broadsheet again, it has changed to the correct number, which is actually 9 subjects. Alright, so you then publish the broadsheet again. Alright, thank you. Alright, so that is that about that. There is no need to panic or to get confused on it, just click the button for all classes. Click it for all classes, declare unregistered subject button. You click it for all classes as an SPA under your subject registration. Then you disapprove and approve your broadsheet again, and all calculation on your broadsheet will be corrected. Thank you very much. God bless.